I think it's coming back. And obviously, a lot of this is just going to have to do with the macro environment. If we see markets crash again, we're going to see crypto crash along with it. If we see a market recovery, we're going to see a crypto recovery along with it. But I think this is, it's flushed out a lot of the things that needed to be flushed out from the crypto space anyway.
Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder and CEO of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, is one of the most popular faces in the cryptocurrency industry. He is known for his meteoric rise to billionaire status and fame in the cryptocurrency industry. The American entrepreneur and investor joined the cryptocurrency industry when he was 25 years old. Barely 5 years later, he was ranked 60th on the 2022 Forbes billionaires list with a net worth of $24 billion. Even with a massive slump in crypto prices, Bankman-Fried is still worth over $11 billion and remains one of the richest people in the space. In a recent interview with David Rubenstein on The David Rubenstein Show, the crypto billionaire talks about the bear market, the future he envisions for the crypto industry, and his bailout efforts to stop the widespread crypto contagion. In an August interview with the Wall Street Journal, the 30-year-old billionaire had pledged $1 billion in bailout funds for the industry. He has already spent most of that amount on BlockFi and Voyager. While the crypto trading platform got a $250 million revolving credit facility from FTX, Voyager, the now defunct and bankrupt crypto broker, got a $200 million loan from Alameda, a quantitative cryptocurrency trading platform Bankman-Fried founded in 2017. Voyager also received 15,000 Bitcoin, according to reports. In February, the billionaire also acquired Japanese fintech firm Liquid for an undisclosed sum. In his interview with Rubenstein, the billionaire discusses why he felt these bailouts were necessary and how he got the funding. Please watch, share, and like this video. Also, ensure you drop your comments and observations in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Sam Bankman-Fried begins the interview by speaking about how nervous he felt when Bitcoin hit $20,000.
Not super nervous. It was definitely going to be a rocky road for the industry. And, you saw some businesses blow up when Bitcoin hit 20K. I think, if we saw things melt down much further than they did, right? If we saw, NASDAQ drop 30-40% from here and Bitcoin go down to 10K per token, I think you would see another round of pain for the industry that would potentially be more of a medium to long-term problem.
So it didn't give you any gray hair, I can see, so.
Oh, a little bit, but, I plucked those out to keep up appearances.
In his interview, Bankman-Fried also speaks about the bailouts and how he was able to raise money for the venture. The billionaire has been hailed as the J.P. Morgan of crypto in reference to how the Gilded Age financier and investment banker pledged his own capital to lead a coalition of wealthy financiers to backstop failing banks, stock exchanges, and trust companies. J.P. Morgan's pre-Federal Reserve bailout mission is similar to Bankman-Fried's bailout mission for crypto firms. When asked how he felt about the comparison, the billionaire said he wasn't bothered but noted that anyone could have done the job.
There were a few different versions of it, and one piece of this was basically FTX's balance sheet. Like, we keep our corporate cash just in dollars. And so, we'd raised a few $1 billion over the course of the last couple of years, and we're a profitable business. Now, we'd also done some acquisitions, which partially balances that out. But, we had some cash left. And with the BlockFi, deal, for instance, that was on FTX, I think FTX US's balance sheet. I think it's something I felt was the right thing for the industry. And, our very explicit mandate that we sort of gave to the team of people working on this was, your goal is not to make a fortune for us doing this. Like, your goal is to do okay deals. Your goal is for us to not get our faces ripped off, but contingent on that, do as much as we can to bail out the industry. And that was the higher goal, was trying to backstop places rather than maximizing on these deals. I would have loved other people to do it. Like, I think it would have been great.
So you went in, you bought some companies. Were those investments profitable?
Mixed is basically the answer. I think some are going to turn out to be profitable, some won't be. Like, one of them certainly, with Voyager, I think, there's $70 million there that we put in that I'm not sure we're ever seeing that $70 million again. And so, we had to make snap judgment calls, and we made them such that if things turned out well, they'd be good investments. And if they turned out badly, they'd be bad investments. But we sort of limited the amount that we could lose from it.
Why do so many young people seem so attracted to crypto?
Rubenstein and Bankman-Fried also talk about the predominant demographic of cryptocurrency investors. It's no news that digital assets in general are more popular with younger investors. Though older people are also investing in crypto, with many older Americans betting on crypto as part of their early retirement plans, the industry is still more popular with younger generations. According to Bankman-Fried, here is the reason why younger people chose crypto over traditional finance. He also speaks about FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange he founded in 2019.
Yeah, I mean, partially it's a new thing that's going to appeal to younger people, but I think another aspect of this is if you're, 21 years old and you're trying to get access to markets, you want to be able to trade, to invest. You can sign up for an account on a crypto exchange and get full market access. If you try and get that same level of access in equities and commodities, you can't get it. You're going to end up with heavily intermediated access that has pretty limited amounts of real interactiveness, limited amounts of liquidity, limited amounts of size, limited amounts of market data. And so I think for a natively digital generation that's looking to take more control of their finances, actually being able to do it with crypto is a big difference. So it's cryptocurrency exchanges is what we call it, but really it's a combination of a few different businesses. If you compare it to traditional finance, right, you have the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, ICE and CME as the exchanges, and that's where bids and offers cross. But you don't go to NewYorkStockExchange.com to send an order. They are primarily the sort of back-end trading infrastructure. Separately, you have brokerages, FCMs, and other businesses that sit in the front that consumers access. And then you have different settlement and sort of custody parties sitting in the middle there. In crypto, all of that gets squashed traditionally into one entity. And so what FTX is, it's sort of all of those things. It's a back-end, matching engine, risk engine, custody system, it's a front-end mobile app, website, API, and everything in between so that, if you want to buy or sell a Bitcoin, you can go to ftx.com and, we offer all the services necessary to do that except for buying and selling.
Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency exchange is one of the 5 cryptocurrency exchanges that have received letters from the House Committee on Oversight and Reform about what they are doing to combat cryptocurrency fraud and scams. According to reports, the House Committee sent letters to 4 federal agencies and 5 cryptocurrency exchanges on Tuesday. The agencies are the Department of the Treasury, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. In addition to FTX US, Coinbase, Binance US, Kraken, and KuCoin also received letters. According to the FTC, more than 46,000 people reported losing over $1 billion in crypto scams between January 2021 and June 2022. The House Committee notes that scammers prefer using crypto because the industry lacks a central authority, transactions are irreversible, and many consumers and inventors have limited understanding of the underlying technology. The federal agencies and crypto exchanges will appear before the committee on September 12 with documents from January 2009 to the present. What are your thoughts on Sam Bankman-Fried's interview and Congress increasing interest in the crypto space, which has more than doubled since the beginning of the crypto contagion? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Also, ensure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.